We are covering outdoor playground safety, specifically fall zones and surfacing for the CDA exam. For the CDA exam, you must know that the fall zone extends a minimum of 6 feet in all directions from any piece of stationary playground equipment. Imagine the slide. The area 6 feet in front, 6 feet behind, and 6 feet to each side must be a clear, unobstructed space with appropriate surfacing. Exam questions will often present a diagram or a scenario and ask you to identify if the fall zone is adequate. They might show a swing set that is only 4 feet away from a fence, which would be an immediate safety violation you need to spot. Now let's talk about what goes inside that fall zone. The exam will test you on the exact depths of appropriate surfacing materials, so you need to memorize these numbers. For impact absorption, you need a minimum of 9 inches of engineered wood fiber or a minimum of 6 inches of loose fill rubber. A common exam trap is to list other materials like grass, dirt, asphalt, or concrete as options in a multiple-choice question. These are never acceptable surfaces for a fall zone. Another trick is to provide an insufficient depth, such as 5 inches of engineered wood fiber. You must know the specific minimums. The Consumer Product Safety Commission, or CPSC, guidelines are also essential for the CDA exam. Play areas must be separated for different age groups to prevent injuries. You should have a distinct area for infants and toddlers under 2, another for preschoolers aged 2 to 5, and a separate one for school-aged children from 5 to 12. The exam will likely present a scenario where equipment, like a tall spiral slide meant for older children, is located in the toddler area. Your job is to identify this as a significant safety hazard based on CPSC age-appropriate guidelines. A key competency for the CDA credential is the ability to perform daily safety checks before children are allowed in the play area. An exam question might ask what the first step should be when preparing the playground for the day. The correct answer will always involve a thorough inspection. This means checking for broken equipment, loose bolts, trip hazards, and unsanitary conditions such as standing water or animal waste. They test this to ensure your priority is proactive prevention, not reactive responses to accidents. Finally, don't overlook weather-related safety, which is often tested through situational judgment questions. On hot, sunny days, you must check the temperature of slides and other surfaces, as they can cause serious burns. The exam might describe a heat advisory day and ask for the most appropriate action. The best answer would be to limit outdoor time or use the playground only during cooler morning hours. Similarly, in cold weather, you are responsible for checking for ice on walkways and equipment to prevent falls. To help you remember the key numbers for the exam, use this simple phrase: 6 feet out, 9 of wood, 6 of rubber, all is good. This mental shortcut will help you instantly recall the 6-foot fall zone requirement, the 9-inch wood fiber depth, and the 6-inch rubber depth. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.